Dear students, today I am giving a new concept in the same chapter, conic section. Here, tangent at the extremities of any focal part of the parabola meet at a right angle on the directrix. Okay, it should be the parabola here. Okay, therefore, you just observe the diagram here. Here is the parabola. Equation of the parabola is in this case y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. Here L dash is a letter sector here. It is a line perpendicular to this axis and passing to the focus S here. Okay. Here it is a letter sector here. At the end point L and L dash here these are the tangent here. So if we consider this one as Z here. Okay. O Z L dash is a one tangent. Z L is a one more tangent here. Both are tangent at L and L dash and they are perpendicular to always perpendicular to each other, and that perpendicular, the point of intersection of the tangent always lies on this directrix here. Okay, so similarly here AB is one more line here. Okay, it is called a focal chord. Okay, other than the letter septum, the line passing to the focus is called a focal chord here. Next here AB is a focal chord. Okay, at A, so this is the tangent here. Okay, so similarly at the point B here, this is a tangent here. Here both the tangents are perpendicular to each other, and the point of intersection again lies on this directrix here. Okay, so similarly MN is one more focal chord here. MN is one more focal chord. Again, it draws the tangent at M as well as N. Both are perpendicular to each other. The point of intersection must lie on this directrix here. Hence, equation of this directrix in this case x is equal to minus a. Therefore, if y square is equal to 4ax, the equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a. Then the perpendicular, the tangents both are perpendicular to each other. The point of intersection must lie on the directrix here. Therefore, tangent at the extremities of any focal chord here of a parabola meet at a right angle on the directrix. Okay. So similarly, suppose parabola is in this direction here. Okay. Then this is the directrix here. If we draw the tangent here at the end of the focal chord here, okay, then just draw the tangent at the end of the focal chord. They are always perpendicular. Then that point of intersection must lie on the directrix. Here equation of the directrix is x is equal to a. The equation of this parabola is y square is equal to minus of 4ax here. Okay. Next, similarly, suppose parabola is in this direction here. Equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4a into y here. So here the focus is, suppose this is a focal chord here. You just draw tangents at the end of the focal chord here. Okay, so both tangents meet at this point. That point lies on the directrix here. So equation of this directrix is y is equal to minus a. So suppose the parabola is in the downward direction here, then the equation of the directrix is y is equal to plus a. In this case, equation of the parabola is x square is equal to minus of 4a into y here. Okay. Therefore, this is a new concept here. So therefore, this is a very important result. So here there are three examples here. Three examples depends upon this concept only. In this example, if two tangents are drawn from a point of P to the parabola y square equal to 4x or at right angles, then the locus of the point P is what here? Okay, locus of the point P is what? Here, just observe here. So equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4x. Okay, here is a parabola. Okay, if two tangents are drawn from the point P to the parabola are at right angles here. Are at right angles means so obviously the point must be lie on the directrix here. This is one tangent here. This is one more tangent. Both are perpendicular to each other. The point must lie on the directrix. So you know that equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a here. Okay. From this parabola here 4a is equal to 4. 4a is equal to 4. Therefore a value is 1 here. So equation of this directrix becomes x is equal to minus 1 here. So therefore obviously the third option is straight on here. Okay.
1.
The next example, the equation of the tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 8x is y is equal to x plus 2. The point on this line from which the other tangent to the parabola is perpendicular to the given tangent is. Okay, means here equation of parabola is y square to 8x means obviously the parabola is in this direction here. Okay, so they already given the equation of the tangent here. Here equation of the tangent is y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so there is one more tangent okay on the parabola. Then those tangents are perpendicular to each other. They are already given here. Okay, the point on this line from which the other tangent to the parabola is perpendicular to the given tangent here. Therefore, what is the coordinate of this point here? Obviously, the point must lie on the directrix here. So x is equal to minus of a. From this parabola, okay, 4a is equal to 8. So 4a is equal to 8 here. 4 ones of 4 cancels here. So a is equal to 2 here. Therefore x is equal to what here? Minus 2 here. Then obviously this point is minus 2 comma 0 here. Okay. Here it is a minus 2 0. So this point satisfying both the parabola as well as the tangent here. Just observe here. Put x value 0 and x equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2 here. Okay. Sorry, here minus 2 0 not lies on the parabola here, so you not substitute in the parabola, just substitute here. So here x is equal to minus 2 here and y is a 0. The equation satisfying here. Yes, the point lies on this tangent here. Okay, therefore the point of intersection must be what here? Minus 2 comma 0. Hence minus 2 0 is the correct option here. Okay, here both the tangent meet at this point and they are perpendicular to each other. If they are perpendicular, obviously the point must lie on the directrix here. Hence the equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a is equal to 2 here. Therefore x equal to minus 2 is the equation of the directrix. Then obviously this point minus 2 comma 0 lies on this directrix here.
1.
So third example, two perpendicular tangents to the parabola y square equal to 4ax always intersect on the line. Okay, so just observe here. Okay, so two perpendicular tangent always intersect on the line here. It is called a directrix. Equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a. Therefore here options are x equal to a, x plus a equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0. Then take a minus a left hand side here. X plus a is equal to 0 here. So therefore here second option is correct one.